Hey guys, it's the Wesa and dumating na isa pa nating parcel, yung sinasabi kong aircon na bibilhin ko. Yes, yun yan. And let's open it. Ooh, as you can see, maganda ang kanyang packaging. Dami ko, super package naman ito. Wait lang guys, there. Sana wala siyang broken part. Kasi natin kayo, hindi ko pa tapos i-edit atong vlog ko, ma-full storage ko na naman. First time ko makatanggap ng parcel na nakalagay sa ganito. Ganito ka-secured. So, very good si seller. Hindi ko pala mapakiramdam nun. This is the product. Goodness gracious. This is the product. Wow. So this is the product, guys. Bakit kahagard? Kinda small. Not what I expected. Let's try to open it. Parang napatagal yung pagtanggal natin ng kanyang. Ooh. It's kind of pretty. Chilling like a Villanera. Wow. Small, but I think sana maganda siya. Mas maganda sa akin. Guys, look at that. Ilagay ko siya sa aking small banda. Let's try it. I have water here. This is a cold water. Bago ko na siya kinuha. And malamig pa siya. Now, let's see anong nasa loob niya. So, charger lang nasa inside. Okay. Wala siyang laman kundi ito lang. Now, let's try to pa-under it. Chinese. May English dito. Okay, first, let's auxiliary buttons over there. Master button. Okay. Then, water tank is this. Then, wind direction ito. Filter, drawer tab na sa baba. Okay, that's pretty. Can we cover it? Use a water tank, then carefully drain it before cleaning. If the water tank is cloudy, use a small brush as a toothbrush. Now, let's try it. Huwag natin basahin yung tamang place. Pakapa pa ng video, full storage siya, wala na. Yan, yung charger niya. Let's figure out paano siya gagana, guys. Ito siya. Tama yung button. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng ulo. Ulo yan. Okay, let's try this. Charger ito na tablet ko. Let's put some water. Then, let's try na. Wait, close lang natin para safe, no? Hindi, wala man ako nakikita ang unsafe na spot. So, let's try it. Then, pindutin to. Ito ba? What seems to be the problem? Let me figure this out. So, yo guys, I figured it out. Bawal siya sa fake na adapter. Shams, kala ko na-scam ako, man. Ayun, gumagana na siya. And let's start natin ang pinakamalamig niya. Ooh.